Oh, Miss Hardison, I received your question here. Again, let's see, we've got a normally distributed, we got the mean and standard deviation. We want to find the probability we select something between 67 and 73. So we need to find a z-score for each of these. Seems like you're aware of how to do that. Let's see, if we start with the 67, the z-score for it would be 67 minus 81. Let's see, that's all over standard deviation, which is 5. And if we put that in their calculator, I come up with negative 2.8. And so we have that z-score. Now we need to calculate the z-score for 73. So if I find a z-score for 73, it'll be z equals 73 minus the mean over standard deviation. And so the z-score here will be negative 1.6. Now you need to go to the table in the back of the book. If you have the book, it's A16, or I have it here in front of me online. And you need to look up these z-scores. And I look up negative 2.8, and I find the number 0.0026, and then the negative 1.6, I find 0.0548. And what does these two numbers mean? Well, they tell you how much area under the normal curve is to the left of these z-scores. I probably can't draw a real good picture here, but I'll try to draw the normal curve here. So you got the normal curve, then you have these two z-scores. Got the mean, I guess, right here in the middle. That was the I guess the 81. You have 81 right here. Then you have a z-score of be z-score negative 2.8. That's going to be over here somewhere, and then negative 1.6. Is going to be a little bit over here. So let's say this. We got a z-score negative 2.8 here. Our z-score here is negative 1.6. That would be, I guess, this would be for the value of 73, and this would be the value of 67. We want to find this area between these two. Well, what this z-score in the table does, it gives you the area to the left of it. And the table also gives you the area to the left of this one. Well, we just want this part in here, which is the differences in those two areas. And so if you subtract these two numbers, you get the final answer that they want, which I guess that comes out to let's see, 0.0522. And again, you may, it's nice to work these out by hand and with the table, but with technology, first few is nice to work out, but with the graphing calculator, Stat Crunch, it'll make short work of a problem like this.